Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. This week we are starting the day in Marin County. We are at the Cypress Tree Tunnel, and it's somewhere we've actually wanted to go for quite some somewhere I've wanted to go for quite some time. But we are finally here, and let's see. We have Mommy, the girls, Auntie Lala, Auntie Erica, and Alex here somewhere there. What did you think about the trees, babe? You like them? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What is that? A flower? Where'd you get that? Can you show me? Wow. You pick it from there?
Yeah, for you.
That's for me?
My hair.
For my hair? Okay, let's see. Let me see. How do I look, guys?
God,
What?
it's beautiful.
Oh, it's beautiful. She said it's beautiful. Can you tell? What do you think, Zay?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Thanks, Zay. I love it. Oh, Daddy's gonna help you? Let's see. Okay.
There you go.
Okay, now look at me.
Can we kiss? Can we kiss? Alright, so we just got our Instagram, our gram photos in. And basically, only reason we all wanted to come here is because there's a whole row of these trees behind me and in front of me here. So basically it's... Oh, you're making... Zoran's making a tunnel. Tunnel vision. Tunnel vision for you. But yeah, so I know there's also a lighthouse. I'm not sure if it's at the end of this tunnel, but we are looking for it.
We're stuck on the side of the road. At least the ladies are. All the girls in the car. Because the boys think cows are amazing. Yeah, she sees her dad right outside of us. And there's some other creature. Jonathan thinks they're reindeer. I thought reindeer were only for Santa. They're real?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't think about that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's true, like in Frozen.
Mm-hmm.
Reindeers are better than people. Anyway, there's some sort of animal with, what are those called?
Antlers.
Antlers out here. Jonathan will probably throw in some footage of this because he's trying to get some reindeer footage right now, and cows. And he's amazed that the cows are black and white. How often do you see black and white cows, guys? How often? But apparently on the drive up here we saw dozens. So if you're looking for black and white cows, you come up to Northern California, up to the Point Reyes, Marin County area, because they're everywhere. Look at these boys. Nothing. I honk and they're concentrated. Oh.
Alright guys, so we are now at Drake's Beach, and you know, funny thing is, we initially wanted to go to the snow this weekend, but I said, maybe not, it's kind of far, I don't want to go, basically travel far, and then be really cold and suffer in the cold. But, really cool thing at this beach, the beach is closed, but, cool thing is that it's closed for a reason. It's closed because there's sea lions, check it out, it's just right here. Literally, I could touch it if I wanted, but I can't because there are people watching us. What do you see, baby? Huh? You see sea lions? Isn't it cool? Oh, you see his leg coming up? Is he gonna fart?
Oh no.
Isaiah, what did you find?
Milk.
Are you sure? Uh-oh, if you spill that, you have no more milk. And you can't cry. This chick. She asked for milk in the car. Told her we didn't have any. She found the water bottle in the bag. Is this water? It ain't water, guys. Yeah. What is it? Okay, then can you put it back so you can have some for later? Okay. Your grandbaby. It's a beautiful grandbaby. Hello, cow. Hello, cow.
Oh,
Oh, we're scaring him. Oh, hi. Hi. Oh, we're scaring him. Hey. Don't moo at the cows, guys. You scare them. That was not nice.
Okay, so we just had lunch, and earlier while we were on our way to go see the trees, we stopped here in Point Reyes Station, where this place is selling some chicks for $4.75. Mom, can we have some chicks, please?
They're cute.
They're cute. Do you like them?
Oh, how cute. Don't put your finger.
So Mom, are we gonna get some chickens?
No.
Comment below if you think
have
we
a friend
should,
with
if we
chickens.
need chickens in our lives and in our vlogs. Comment below. What do you
We have a
think?
friend with chickens. We can just visit
Make sure you
chickens.
drop a like. If you want us to have chickens, drop a like and maybe we will.
The only chicken I'm getting is in my belly.
No. We're gonna get some pet
Fried
chickens
chicken.
soon, so we can have. We might just like we need chickens because we eat a lot of eggs.
I'd rather get a
Ziana
cow.
likes some hard-boiled eggs or a cow because these girls drink at least like
Come on,
a
let's
gallon almost a day, half a gallon a day.
So we really wanted ice cream because we saw everybody walking around with some. What'd you get, La?
Small cone swirl.
Small cone swirl. And apparently it's made from buffalo milk. Local soft serve made from buffalo milk. Tastes good?
I haven't tried it yet.
Oh, I know I haven't tried it yet either because I was gonna take a picture. Millennials. Who's tried it?
Yeah,
Tastes okay?
really good.
Consensus right now is it tastes fine to us. But we just wanted to take a
That's right.
picture. We finally tried it. It's delicious.
It's amazing.
It's like
Really
really,
creamy.
really creamy. You would have never guessed it's made from buffalo milk. I didn't even know buffaloes made milk. I don't know a lot of things about animals. Like, I didn't know that those were elk, not reindeer. Oh, where are we going? We're going straight. I'm trying to move and walk at the same time.
That's dangerous.
Oh, where's the thrift store?
All right, we are now back home, guys, and before we left the area, Point Reyes area, we did stop off at Cowgirl Creamery, which has amazing cheese, and we ended up getting some Mount Tam. This is the Mount Tam, and this is the Wagon Wheel, the softer and harder cheese, and we are just gonna enjoy this. This is probably gonna be our dinner because we are pretty full. We had lunch in Point Reyes as well, but if you guys enjoyed the vlog, please drop us a like, and be sure to subscribe if you guys are new. We'll see you guys next week. Bye.